Hello everyone. The aim of this short video is to show you how Sara can vocally announce information provided by the central navigation system. Just as we saw previously for the GPS and routes, you just need to set your automatic announcements profile. So, I go to the navigation page on the default announcements profile. On this page, you can enable or disable 10 types of information: depth, heading, speed through water, true wind speed, true wind angle, apparent wind speed, apparent wind angle, wind direction, water temperature, and air temperature. You can set these announcements in your announcements profile even if you are not connected to the sailboat's central navigation system yet. However, Sara will only mention them when you have enabled the Wi-Fi connection with the central navigation system. It's very easy to connect. Just follow the instruction document procedure for connecting Wi-Fi to the central navigation system from Sara Navigation. You will find it on Sara's Facebook page. Basically, you connect to the central navigation system's Wi-Fi from your iPhone's settings first. Then, in Sara Navigation, select the Settings tab followed by Navigation System and enter the requested information on that page. One final important remark. A visually impaired sailor can also check the information provided by the central navigation system at any time by reading it on their screen with VoiceOver. They can find it by selecting the Navigation tab on menu level 1 and then Nav System on menu level 2. So now, with Sara Navigation, visually impaired sailors can have full access to the central navigation system. In the next video, we will present electronic telltales developed by Mer Agité, a French company led by Michel Desjoyaux. You'll see how you can use these telltales by vocalizing them with Sara Navigation.